Welcome my channels. I am Prabha Chakraborty. Again I am coming to discuss a problem based on GATE 2021 Cauchy problem. So friends, Cauchy characteristics is similar to Lagrange's and Chapit differential equations. We apply this knowledge in case of Cauchy problem. So friends, before solving this problem, I just mark this Cauchy problem based on x del y del t and del y del y and ux y. So I will write what is my given. At first I have to write given. Friends, given is ux comma 0 is equal to minus x square, friends, and x into del u by del t plus del u by del y is equal to 1. Now this equation we compare the Lagrange's equations. Friends, I will write del u by del t as a p, small p, and del u by del y as q. Del u by del t is equal to p and del u by del y is equal to q, friends. You must remember. And after that, it can be written capital P, small p, capital Q, small q is equal to r. Comparing this equation with this equation. So friends, whatever I will get. So it is x, del u by del x. Question is del u by del x in the GATE questions. GATE question is del u by del x. So del u by del x is equal to small p. So whatever I get, dx by x is equal to dy by y is equal to du by 1. du by 1. So friends, whatever I get, dx by x is equal to, we see dx by x is equal to dy. So log x is equal to y plus log c 1. And whatever I get, x by c1 is equal to e to the power y. And x is equal to c1 into e to the power y. This is my equations. X is equal to c1 into e to the power y. So friends, c1 value is equal to e to the power y. C1 value is equal to x by e to the power y. And now we know that the Lagrange's equation means Lagrange's equations, the C2 value in case of the another is du is equal to y du. This equation, when I will apply this equation, then I get y plus C2. So friends, u minus y is equal to C2, and now C2 is function of C1. The relation between C2 is C1. Relation is equal to C2 into C1. Must remember that this is the general solution. This solution is called general solution. So friends, C2 is equal to C1. So whatever I get, value C2 is equal to phi x by e to the power y. Everything you will write, friends. You will write everything. After that, I will remove this portion, and I will remove this portion. So friends, whatever you get, we get C2 is equal to phi C1. So friends, u is equal to y plus phi C1 means u into e to the power x divided by e to the power y. C1 means, C2 means x divided by phi equals to y plus phi x e to the power y. So friends, whatever you see, please check everything. Okay, I get u, and now according to the questions by given u x comma 0 is equal to minus x square. So u x comma 0 I get phi x, and phi x is equal to minus x square. So friends, phi x is equal to minus x square. Phi x equals to minus x square. So friends, phi x by e to the power y is equal to minus x divided by e to the power y whole square, x divided by e to the power y whole square. And now you will get, I just remove this portion because the given is equal to this. So whatever I will get, I just remove, because you will write everything, friends. Whatever I am doing. So u is equal to y minus x by e to the power y whole square, and u I have to find out u to 1. So friends, I just putting in here 2 1. So it is 1 minus 2 square into e to the power 2y e to the power 2. So friends, whatever I get, 1 minus 4 into e to the power minus 2y. So my equation e to the power 2 comma 1 is equal to 1 minus 4 into e to the power minus 2y. Sorry, minus 2y, not minus 2 e to the power minus 2. So what is my answer? My answer is 1 minus 4 into e to the power minus 2. So answer 3 is correct. Please write down everything, friends, and I hope I can clear. If any doubt, any doubts, please write in the comment. Discuss GATE 2018 problem, Cauchy characteristic PDE. Before this problem, friends, we have to remember Chapit theorems. Friends. So Chapit theorem, I will write that dx is equal to del f by del p, dy is equal to del f by del q, dj is equal to p into del f by del p, and plus q into del f by del q equals to, friends, must note this, okay, equals to dx minus, in here I also solve one Chapit equations. Chapit equations is used in Cauchy characteristic PDE. Problem is Cauchy characteristic PDE. So I use Chapit. So friends, dp is equal to del f by del x plus p into del f by del u. In here also not j, it is u. Del f by del u, and dq is equal to del f by del y plus q into del f by del u. So friends, this is my total formula. I have remembered, I don't see any books, friends. This is the total formula. So this formula I have to write in here. This formula I want to write. So Chapit characteristics equations. Chapit characteristics equation is, see that dx del x by del t equals to del f by del p, and del y by del t equals to del f by del q, and del u by del t equals to p into del f by del p plus q into del f by del q. This is the formula, friends. P into del f by del p and q into del f by del q. And dp by dt minus is equal to del f by del x plus p into del f by del u, and dq by dt minus is equal to del f by del y plus q into del f by del u. This is the total formula, friends. You will see that I use total formula, and this is my Charpit characteristics formula. I use Cauchy characteristics. This is Cauchy characteristics. Cauchy character. So friends, I just discussed the definitions and the formula of this. Now I remove this formula because I have to solve that problem. Problem is coming from CSIR Railgate, and every year this type of question is coming. So before these questions, you have to remember this formula. Otherwise, you cannot solve that problem. Charpit equations. I have taught in my class that how to solve Charpit problems. Charpit problems, you will see that in my partial differential equations 1 video you can get Charpit. And now here I use Charpit equations. So friends, you see that u into ux plus y into uy equals to x, and ux and y into uy equals to x. So friends, whatever we can compare in this, that whatever I get that this is the del f by del t. One with u into del f, u is equal to f s t. So del f by del x. So friends, whatever I can consider this like these equations, del u by del t and equals to p into del f by del p. So I can consider these equations with these equations. So whatever I get p into del f by del x and q into del f by del y is equal to I get du by dt. Now del f by del x. Whatever I need del f by del x. So friends, you will see that del f by del x means dx by dt, and del f by, sorry, it is not del f by del p, sorry, it is not del x, del f by del p, del f by del p and del f by del q. You will see this formula, del u by del t plus del f by del p is equal to del u by del t, and del f by del x is equal to del f by del p is equal to whatever I get dx by dt, friends. I get dx by dt, and dx by dt, whatever I get dx by dt, if I will differentiate this portion, x is equal to whatever I get dx by dt is equal to dx by dt is equal to del f by del p, del f by del p, and del f by del p is equal to f is equal to our f is equal to u into p plus y into q minus x. So del f by del p is equal to u. Del f by del p is equal to u, and dx dy by dt, whatever I get, dy by dt is equal to del f by del q, and del f by del q is equal to whatever I get, del f by del q is equal to y. And this portion del f by del q is equal to when I get 1. So friends, whatever I get dx by dt, I get, let's see, that du by dt is equal to p into del f by del p plus q into del f by del f by del q is equal to u into ux plus y into uy. So friends, I get this value, and you will see that u into ux plus y into uy, because p is equal to ux, noted, p is equal to ux and q is equal to uy, noted, p is equal to ux and q is equal to uy, noted. So whatever u into ux and del f by del, so I get du by dt is equal to x, and now I will multiply d square u divide by dt square is equal to dx by dt, and dx by dt is equal to whatever I get, dx by dt is equal to del f by del p and is equal to u. So I get u. D square u by dt square is equal to u. And now I just remove this, because you will note everything. I just remove this formula, and after that whatever I get, that I will write, because everything is important, but my priority is d square u by dt square is equal to u. So I get d square u divided by dt square minus u is equal to 0, and my u is equal to c1 e to the power t and plus c2 e to the power minus t. So friends, we get u is equal to, and whatever I get, after that I just derivative, du by dt is equal to c1 e to the power t plus c minus, this equation is called this minus c minus c2 into e to the power minus t, and now du by dt is equal to c1 e to the power t plus minus c2 divided by t equals to x. Du by dt is equal to x. I put that in here. I say that du by dt and du by dt is equal to x. So friends, you will see that du by dt is equal to x, and x value is 3 by 2. X value is 3 by 2 s into e to the power t plus minus half into s into e to the power minus t. So friends, I get the value, whatever I get value, I get c1 c2's values. I get c1 and c2 value. C1 is equal to whatever I get, C1 is equal to I get 3 by 2 s, and C2 is equal to I get half. So my equation u should be fst, and fst is equal to, I putting the value c1 and c2 in here, so I get 3 by 2 to s into e to the power t plus half s into e to the power minus t. So my first answer is correct. 3 by 2 s into e to the power t plus half into s to the power e minus t. But you have to remember this problem, before this solving this problem, Cauchy's characteristics equations, you have to remember Chapman equations. Chapman equations is very simple. dx is equal to del f by del p. dx divided by del f by del p. dy equals to dy divided by del f by del q. And du is equal to p into del f by del p plus q into del f by del q. And dp divided equals to dp divided by del f by del x plus p into del f by del u minus, and dq is equal to del f by del y, dq divided by del f by del y, and q is equal to del f by del u. Means our formula, this formula is very important. Chapman equations. I write this formula because you have to remember this formula, and formula is very important. That's why I just write dx is equal to del f by del p, del f by del p, dy is equal to del f by del q, and du is equal to p into del f by del p plus q into del f by del q, and dp is equal to minus is equal to del f by del x. Del f by del x is p into del f by del u, and dq is equal to minus del f by del y plus q into del f by del u. This is my total